The mantle is definitely a focal point in our home decor, and that decor can be very simple, lavish, or anything in between. Hello everyone, before we get started, I need to let you know that during the editing, I realized that I had no sound. Yes, it is a content creator's nightmare. So I experienced my own today. So I went ahead and re-recorded a voiceover for this opener. So if what you hear me say does not match what my lips are moving to, that is the reason why. So you guys, I do apologize, but thank you so much for bearing with me. Hello friends, welcome to our home. I am Deborah, and today we are going to transform this beautiful fall decor mantle into something so beautiful for the Christmas holiday. As you can see, I definitely went towards the more lavish for fall and absolutely love the result. But before we get started, let me just tell you about our fireplace and the challenges that I've been presented with in decorating it. And it is because of the design of this fireplace. You can't see it because of all the decor I have on the mantle right now, but there is this opening. It's like a cavity built into this fireplace. And from a functional perspective, it's great because I do believe the reason why it's there is because it's used to house the electronics and gadgets, things such as that. But when it comes to decorating, I had to, over the years, just go above and beyond to basically camouflage that opening so that it would not be noticeable. But this year, I came up with a different plan. Instead of fighting it and camouflaging it, I have decided to make it part of the decor for this mantle. And what I am thinking is something probably like a winter wonderland, something very scenic that's going to have houses and trees and sleighs. And you guys, I am super excited about it. But having said that, it's definitely going to be like decorating two different spaces, the inside of this fireplace, and then of course the mantle itself. And this year is the first time that I am tackling doing both, which is the whole reason why I wanted to make a separate video for the mantle all by itself. So you guys, get yourselves your favorite hot beverage, put up your feet, and join me as we transform this fireplace, this mantle, into something spectacular for the Christmas holiday. All right, everyone. So this is the final look before the takedown. This moment is so bittersweet for me because I absolutely love the way this mantle turned out this year. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do a repeat next year, but nonetheless, not only is it bittersweet, okay, but I am definitely super excited to get this done for the Christmas holiday because it is my most favorite time of year. Now that everything is taken down, what I did is I took out all of the decor that I believe I'm going to use for this mantle and I laid everything out. You guys, I am this person that cleans everything as I cook because I can't stand the clutter. So you can only imagine what this is doing to me right about now. But it definitely makes things a lot easier just to lay everything out so I can see it. And then I can pick and choose what I'm going to use for each area of my decor. Okay guys, so here you see me adding some boxes in the space just so I can create some hills, mountains in strategic places. And obviously, as I go along, if I need to adjust, I will do exactly that. Up next, I am bringing in this snow blanket. So I am laying it in and trying to form it so that, once again, it creates some mountaintops. And now that I have it in place, I'm just cutting the excess out, and I will toss it aside. Spread it out some more, and then I am going to stand back, take a look at it, and you guys, look, I love it. So after looking at all my decor, I knew there was going to be one statement piece around which everything else was going to fall into place, and this is the piece. And that went right in the center, and as you'll see, everything else just basically just falls right into place. I got a beautiful sled and some reindeer here, and that's going to be placed right there in the center. And these are my little trees that are going to surround this little tree farm. And my little village is definitely taking on a beautiful shape. Needed to add some height to this, so just another demonstration of how you can just take what you have and make it work. And then what I'm doing here, this is like a cotton type of snow, and I am putting this along the edges just so I can make it look even more realistic. And then once I get this done, you guys, I'm going to step back again and take a look at the finished product before we move on. All right, everyone, we are off to a great start. This was such a good idea. Once again, is that a camouflaging this opening just to make it part of the decor. And I am absolutely loving it. Tell me in the comments what you think. So, still got lots to do because now I got to decorate the mantle. But once again, off to a wonderful start, you guys. I ditched the coffee. I had to get some water because it is like 7 degrees outside. I tell you, being in the South is just a thing. Last week we were like in the 40s. Today we are like in the high 70s. But at any rate, yeah, I'm going to continue on, you guys. Please do leave in the comments again and let me know what you think about this. Oh, one other thing I need to make note of is the fact that I had ordered some remote control fairy lights, and I was thinking about putting them underneath this snow blanket, and just so it had like a really subtle light, just enough to illuminate this at night. But they have not yet come in. I don't know when they're going to get here, and I could not wait. So one thing that I need to do as far as this scenery is concerned is somehow just retrofit the little fairy lights. I'm going to put them on top versus underneath. And that's what I'm going to do. But other than that, I'm going to continue on and then decorate this mantle. I'll see you soon. All right, it's time to apply these garland holder strips. They're kind of like a command type of gizmo that I got from Amazon. We're going to see if they work. We're going to start by cleaning this fireplace with some alcohol just to make sure that we have a good contact between these little sticky things and the mantle. And I am just tugging on it, and it looks like it's a go. Looks like we have a winner here. So up next, what we're going to do is choose the garland that we are going to put on this fireplace. I've got several to choose from. It's just a matter of trial and error at this point, you guys. And what I'm doing right now is I'm taking it and flouncing it because, as you can see, it's very, very flat. I chose the two that I want to use, and I am putting it on the mantle, holding it in place with these garland holders. Stepping back, looking at it, I like what I see. Up next, want to make sure that the lights work. And they do. Let there be light. And what you see here is what I believe I am going to use to decorate this garland. But right now, I am going to call it an evening because my husband came home with some takeout and we're going to put our feet up, eat this takeout, and watch the movie. So I'll see you soon. Hello, everyone. It is early in the morning and I am in the dark because I want to do this dramatic final reveal of this fireplace mantle behind me, you guys. After dinner last night, came down late because it's like, an epiphany. I need to go in a different direction as far as the mantle is concerned because sometimes less is more. And that's exactly what you are going to see. I stripped away some of the things in the direction that I was going to go in. And oh my gosh, it is absolutely amazing. So you guys, without further ado, our Christmas Mantel 2025. Yes, okay. I am like almost speechless. This final result is everything that I imagined that it would be. You know how you see something in your mind's eye and it's like, okay, let's just see if it's all going to come together. And it did that and more. And the reason why I decided to strip back on some of the details on the mantle is because I wanted it to be a frame, a frame to this beautiful vignette that is on the inside of this fireplace. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then the other thing too, the fairy lights came in. That was another thing that I did not have the opportunity to show you. Okay, me putting up when they came in because they also came in. So what my husband and I decided to do was to put it up there on the top on this inside. And we just made like a little grid back and forth, because if you've ever dealt with fairy lights, those tiny little wires, they get tangled so very easily. But we just took our time and did that. And look at the result, you guys. It was worth the effort. And I put it up. I've got to share this. It's got on off, of course. It's got a little timer and then it's got 8 different settings. So I have it set to the one I think is demonstrating all the different the different features of these fairy lights. So that's what we have going on right now. But it's so festive. It's so beautiful. It's so elegant. It is everything again that I wanted it to be and more. You guys tell me what you think about it. Please leave in the comments to let me know that you were in fact here. And this is a prime example, guys, of taking something that was a challenge, which was this opening for me throughout the years, taking something that was a challenge, okay, and repurposing it to make it work for the good. And I'm never going to go back. It's like, this is it for me. I'm always going to take advantage of the fact that this thing that I used to, don't want to say hate, but did not like before and was kind of confusing to me before, okay, not anymore. So you guys, thank you all so very much for being here. Please leave in the comments and let me know how you feel about it. And also, please do stay tuned for some additional upcoming Decorate with Me Christmas 2025 decor videos that I'm coming up with. As a matter of fact, you guys, let's just give you, let's keep it real, how beautiful this is, but I need to show you the surroundings, okay? So you you get a behind the scenes of what it looks like to put this stuff together. Okay, let me show you. All right, so as beautiful as this is, look at what I have going on around me. Okay, this light is getting in the way, but look at this. This is my sofa with tons of decor. I've got some more on the table back there, tripod. Some more bags over here. I got this table, table in front of me. You guys, this is real. And this is only part of it. I've already put some of it away, but yeah, hold on. All right, you guys, so I am going to clean up and get ready for the next stop. I don't know if I'm going to continue on with this room, move to the kitchen. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to go yet, but turn on your notifications, okay, so that you don't miss out on any of this fabulous Christmas decor 2025 decorating with me, you guys. And I, once again, want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Love you guys, and I'll see you right here real soon.
It's the number